Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to update your Windows 11 and you are receiving this error code that is 0x800f0900. So the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to system, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update, click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are receiving this error, then restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Select automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With Background Intelligent Transfer Service selected over here, click on restart the service. And now try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on accept and install. Now if Windows 11 installation assistant is not opening, in that case go to File Explorer, then go to this PC or go to downloads, and over here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Make a right click, then select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Select Windows 7 from the list, click on apply, OK, make a double click and then click on accept and install. Now still you are receiving the error message, then reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy till here. Now type in notepad in Windows search box, open notepad and then paste all the command over here. And then go to file, then click on save as type and then select the location as desktop and name this file as wufix.bat. And for save as type, select all files, then click on save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file. Make a right click on wufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now, first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services. Then it will run some scans. Now, there are a couple of scans. So the scan will take time. Once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services and then restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now, the last step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing is working, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So one of the steps should help you to update your Windows 11 without this error code. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.